Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a bulb on a BMW 1 Series. First, always prioritize safety. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent burns. It's also wise to wear protective gloves to keep oils from your skin off the new bulb, which can shorten its lifespan. Have your new bulb and a small screwdriver ready for the task. Now, let's access the bulb. Open your car's hood and find the back of the headlight assembly. You'll likely see a cover that needs to be removed. This might involve unclipping it or unscrewing a few small screws. Once the cover is off, gently disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb. This usually just pulls straight off. With the connector off, it's time to remove the old bulb. Depending on your specific model, you might need to unclip a retaining spring or twist the bulb a quarter turn counterclockwise. Gently pull the old bulb straight out. Now, take your new bulb, holding it by its base, and carefully insert it into the housing, making sure it's seated firmly and correctly. Almost done, reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Then, put the headlight assembly cover back on and fasten any clips or screws you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your car and test the new bulb to confirm it's working correctly. You've successfully changed your BMW 1 Series bulb. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.